If you are tired of annoying spam calls, here's how you can block them easily from your Android phone and get some peace. For that, you have to open phone app on your device, and from your recent list you can select on the number which is annoying you, and from the recent list you can block the number which is spamming. For example, I want to select this number. You have to hold it for a few seconds depending on the launcher or Android version which you are using, and after that you will see a pop-up like that. Here you can click on block/report spam. You can also report call as spam, or you can simply ignore it like that. If you want to report call as spam, make sure it's enabled and then block it. And now you will no longer receive call from this number. And if you want to block numbers manually, or you can use a spam blocking app for strong filtering, you can download apps like Truecaller, Hia or Call Control. They even show caller names. You can block non-spam list and even auto block robot calls. And if you are in supported countries, you can register your number on your national do not call registry. It won't stop everything, but it helps reduce telemarketing spam. And that's it. With these steps, your phone should be way quieter. And if this helped, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more tech videos like that. See you in the next one.